Hello, welcome back to school. I'm Miss Skalski. I will be the 6A homeroom for this upcoming school year. I will also be teaching 6th grade science for all 6A and 6B. Right now that looks like we will be doing all projects in September. Things that will get you outside. Obviously this is my happy space. You probably remember this from the read aloud area if you were in homeroom last year, and I know Miss Tillman shared those videos too. So that's kind of what Miss Medendorp and I have planned as we're doing some of this together. And after that, October should roll around and we plan to do some a weather unit. And then we'll get into the rest of the level 2 iQuest curriculum that we did level 1 all last year in 5th grade. For 6th grade ELA, that's the second core class I'll be teaching. And again, that's all 6th grade A and B. We are using the Holt McDougall book. Only the change from last year to this year is there are new textbooks purchased for the 8th graders as they are doing 9th grade English. So we get to use the 7th grade textbooks in 6th grade. So I'll be using it mostly for the text selection while keeping the workload covering mostly the 6th grade NGSS standards, not NGSS, Common Core standards. And then a lot of that is going to be through, so like the reading portion will be through the website, myhrw.com, and I will get your students all in there as soon as possible. But then the assignment portion will be completed on Google Classroom, which will be similar to science as well. The final class that I am teaching, it is co-taught with Mrs. Pibuta and I, and it is the 6th grade robotics and engineering. So last year we used the Vex Robotics kits, the plastic version, and this year we will continue, if we have the opportunity to do hands-on, using the challenge portion of that we did not get to. And then after that, it's going to be a lot more focusing on the engineering components. So and you'll see Miss Pabuta's video, and if you haven't watched it, please. Otherwise, we'll be focusing more on autonomous programming and different types of programming that we can do from home. Just any experience will be great. So thank you for sticking with us, and I look forward to working with you and continuing this partnership, and I look forward to a great year. Thank you.